which talked about what I call the 3 Gs of growth. Growth that is consistent, quarter on quarter, growth that is competitive, better than the other person, and growth that is profitable, so you continue to make more and more shareholder value. And I'm afraid this is not going to be good enough. And we have to move from this 3G model to a model of what I call the 4th G, the G of growth that is responsible. And it is this that has to become a very important part of creating value, of not just creating economic value, but creating social value. And companies that will thrive are those that will actually embrace the 4th G. And the model of 4th G is quite simple. Companies cannot afford to be just innocent bystanders in what's happening around in society. They have to begin to play their role in terms of serving the communities which actually sustain them. And we have to move to a model of an and model, which is how do we make money and do good? How do we make sure that we have a great business, but we also have a great environment around us? And that model is all about doing well and doing good. Now the question is, easy said than done, but how do we actually get that done? And I do believe that the answer to that is going to be leadership. It is going to be to redefine the new business models, which understand that the only license to operate is to combine these things. And for that, you need businesses that can actually define their role in society in terms of a much larger purpose than the products and brands that they sell. And companies that actually define a true north, things that are non-negotiable, whether times are good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. There are things that you stand for. Values and purpose are going to be the two drivers of software that is going to create the companies of tomorrow.